Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how you can curve text right here in this Microsoft Word document. Yes. So if you're new here, just stick around. My name is Mark Brown. So you will see exactly how you can curve text right here in Microsoft. So the first thing you want to do is come right up here. You're going to click on the word insert. When you click on the word insert, definitely going to come all the way down here to the word art. If you notice this text right here, you're going to click. And as soon as you click, you're going to choose one of these. Alright, now you're going to write some text right here. So I'm going to write some text here. So my name is John Brown. Good. So as soon as you finish that, the next thing that you wanted to do, definitely you want to come right here. Notice the WordArt style. So you're going to click right here, this little A right here. Alright, and when you click at this A, you're going to come down all the way to the word transform. And then you're going to click right here on this one right here. So you're going to click right there. If you notice, the text start to curve already, so you're going to put the cursor right here. Along left side of the mouse, that touchpad. You're going to draw it like that. Draw it down. Right, so notice, draw it. So notice you're going to draw it. And you'll curve where the text get. Alright, if you notice, this is exactly how you curve text right here in Microsoft Word.